Welcome back to Path of Glory, your home for learning natural English expressions that help you speak with confidence and sound more like a native speaker. Today, we're going to explore 10 common English idioms you'll hear every single day at school, at work, on TV, or in casual conversation. These idioms are simple, fun, and very common among native speakers. Once you start using them, your English will sound smoother and more natural. So grab your notebook or just sit back and listen, and let's dive right in. 1. A piece of cake. If something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy to do. You don't need to stress or worry. It's simple. Example 1. You were nervous about your English exam, but after you finished, you realized it wasn't hard at all. You smile and say, "Wow, that test was a piece of cake." Example 2. Your friend asks if you can fix her phone charger. You look at it, twist the wire a bit, and it starts working again. She says, "You fixed it already?" You reply, "Yeah, it was a piece of cake." When something is a piece of cake, it's quick, easy, and no big deal. 2. Break a leg. This idiom means good luck, but it's used especially before a performance or something important. It sounds strange because it literally means something bad, but in idiomatic English, it's a friendly wish for success. Example 1. Your friend has a big presentation at work. You smile and say, "You do great, break a leg." Example 2. Your sister is about to go on stage for her first dance recital. You whisper, "Break a leg," to wish her luck before she starts. So, next time someone is nervous before an important moment, tell them to break a leg, and you'll sound just like a native speaker. 3. Under the weather. When you're under the weather, it means you're feeling a bit sick or not well. You might not have a serious illness, but maybe you have a cold or you're just tired. Example 1. You planned to go out with your friends, but you woke up with a headache and a sore throat. You text them, "Hey guys, I'm feeling under the weather today. I think I'll stay home and rest." Example 2. Your coworker didn't show up to the meeting. Later, someone says, "Oh, she's under the weather. She caught the flu." When you're under the weather, you're not in your best shape, so take care and get some rest. 4. Hit the books. To hit the books means to start studying seriously. It doesn't mean to literally hit your books. It's just a fun way to say, "I need to study." Example 1. You have a big test tomorrow, so you tell your friend, "I can't go out tonight. I need to hit the books." Example 2. Your teacher gives you a pop quiz, and you realize you didn't study enough. You think to yourself, "I had better hit the books this weekend." When you hit the books, it means you're focused and ready to learn. 5. Let the cat out of the bag. This idiom means to reveal a secret by accident, to tell something that was supposed to stay hidden. Example 1. You are planning a surprise birthday party for your friend, but another friend accidentally told the birthday person about it. You sigh and say, "Oh no, you let the cat out of the bag." Example 2. Your sister told your parents about your new job offer before you could. You laugh and say, "Thanks for letting the cat out of the bag, sis." So when someone lets the cat out of the bag, it means the secret is out, even if they didn't mean to. 6. Spill the beans. This one has almost the same meaning as let the cat out of the bag. To spill the beans means to share a secret or reveal hidden information. Example 1. Your coworker knows who got promoted but won't tell anyone. You tease him and say, "Come on, spill the beans. Who got the promotion?" Example 2. Your friend can't keep surprises. Every time you plan something, she ends up telling everyone. You laugh and say, "You always spill the beans too early." When you spill the beans, the mystery or surprise is gone. 7. Once in a blue moon. This idiom means something that happens very rarely. A blue moon is an uncommon event. That's why we use it to describe rare occasions. Example 1. Your friend asks you if you go out to fancy restaurants often. You say, "Only once in a blue moon. I usually cook at home." Example 2. Your cousin lives abroad and visits your hometown maybe once every few years. You say, "He comes home once in a blue moon." So, if something happens once in a blue moon, it's special because it doesn't happen often. 8. Hit the nail on the head. To hit the nail on the head means to say or do exactly the right thing, to be perfectly correct. Example 1. You're having a meeting about why your project didn't succeed. One coworker says, "I think we didn't plan enough time." Everyone nods. You say, "You hit the nail on the head. That's exactly the problem." Example 2. Your friend describes how you've been feeling lately, and you say, "Wow, you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly how I feel." When you hit the nail on the head, you're spot on, completely right. 9. Cost an arm and a leg. This means something is very expensive. It costs a lot of money. Example 1. You're looking at new phones and see one that's way over your budget. You say, "Wow, that phone costs an arm and a leg." Example 2. Your friend tells you she bought concert tickets for a famous artist. You ask, "How much were they?" She laughs and says, "They cost an arm and a leg, but it was worth it." When something costs an arm and a leg, it's very pricey, but maybe worth it for something special. 10. The ball is in your court. This idiom means it's your turn to take action or make a decision. The phrase comes from sports like tennis. When the ball is on your side, it's your move. Example 1. Your boss says they've given you all the information you need for the project. Now it's up to you to start. You think, "All right, the ball is in my court." Example 2. You apologize to your friend after a fight, but they haven't replied yet. You say, "I said sorry, so now the ball is in their court." When the ball is in your court, it means the next step is yours to take. Brain. Quick review. Let's go over the 10 idioms you just learned. 1. A piece of cake. Very easy. 2. Break a leg. Good luck. 3. Under the weather. Feeling sick. 4. Hit the books. Start studying. 5. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. 6. Spill the beans. Tell a secret. 7. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. 8. Hit the nail on the head. Exactly right. 9. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. And 10. The ball is in your court. It's your turn to act. These are idioms you'll hear every day in conversations, movies, and even songs. Practice them, use them naturally, and soon you'll notice how much more fluent and confident you sound. Before we finish, remember, learning idioms isn't just about memorizing, it's about understanding the culture and emotion behind them. So next time you hear a native speaker say, "That exam was a piece of cake," or "I'm feeling under the weather," you'll know exactly what they mean, and you'll be able to use those idioms yourself. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new, please subscribe to Path of Glory for more English lessons. We post easy-to-understand, natural English episodes to help you speak fluently and confidently. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep walking on the path of glory. See you in the next episode.